Dear students, faculty members, research scholars and viewers of this online program, I warm welcome you on the behalf of Department of Library Information Science, Islamia College, Vaniyambadi, Tamil Nadu. Today's our session is Online Library Resources Orientation Program on Swayam Prabha. Swayam Prabha has one of the higher education channel created by the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. The MHRD has taken keen interest on higher education and development. One among the initiative is Swayam Prabha. There will be another programs also provided by the Ministry of HRD, Swayam MOOCs and NPTEL programs, National Digital Library. So like that, Swayam Prabha is one of the best and useful program for the UG students, PG students and primary level to postgraduate level of students and lifelong learners. This channel available in direct to home through dish antenna. This program telecasted from channel 1 to 16 arts, science, humanities subjects, and from channel number 17 to 31 engineering, medical and allied health sciences, and channel 31, 32 also provide the National Institute of Open Schooling of CBSE school subjects. So now the education institutions may set up this channel in their libraries or any other place where comfortable to view this program whenever your students are free, leisure hour. So utilize this program or designed a time to view this channel. It depends on the initiative of the management. So now we will move into the session, and this is the home page of the Swayam Prabha. It will provide current programs, archived lectures and future coming lectures. So the next slide is the direct search on, for example, you may search the subject, any particular physics, chemistry, biochemistry, biotechnology, whatever subjects, or literature subject, English, Hindi, French, whatever it is, you may directly put it in this search button. The channel will display the current lecture or the forthcoming lecture or archived lectures. So you may scroll down and view it, okay. Or otherwise another one option is channels and allocations. You may select it, the channels and allocations under this, okay. If you select the channels and allocation, the screen will be displayed like this. The channel number, channel name and source provider, email ID of the source provider and coordinator name and the designation and videos. Okay, so the topic, you may select it, any course, any topic in this, among these, okay. Whichever channel you want, you may select it like this, channel 1 CEC, UGC, humanities, language and literature, like this, okay. So channel 2 also the humanities, history, culture and philosophy, like that, okay. So like that, whatever subject you want, you may browse it and open it. That right side corner YouTube link is given. You may open it and see that channel. So there will be another one option. You scroll down in the search bar, totally 1 to 32 channels the subject wise be displayed. For example, literature subject, arts subjects, or in physical sciences, and chemistry, mathematics, engineering subject, and medical subject, whatever it is, channel wise it will be displayed. So you may select it among these one, it will be opened. Okay, you select it. The repeated telecast time also, the channel will be telecasted on current lecture program on the particular day. So the timing of telecasting time, you may select it. What are the timings the channel telecasting the particular subject? Okay, you select it. The indication, arrow mark indication is indicated, that orange color notepad, you select it, it will be display the timing of what are the timings the particular topic will be telecasted on the particular day. Okay, so the topic humanities, language and literature, it will be telecasted on a particular day. For example, 25th, 8th, 20, Thursday. So the timings will be displayed. Okay, so this is the channel coordinator. Who is the channel coordinator? Address provided here, you may note down. Okay, the program schedule will be that left side button, you may select it, the program schedule on the particular topic. The program schedule will be the topic, language, subject, and usage category, whether it is a undergraduate student or a postgraduate students, whatever it is. The telecast date and day, which day, Saturday, Monday, or Wednesday. These are the days also displayed here. The timing will be, you click it in the right side, the timing section, that it will be useful for you. So according to your convenience, you may open it and view the channel and directly telecasting. This one, another one is the upcoming lectures, and this is the upcoming lectures. You may select it, that central part of current, upcoming, archived lectures. Okay, now the second part is upcoming lectures. It will be opened like this, and if you select any physics or chemistry subject, on it will be what timing it will be in future current lectures, future lectures, what are the timing will be displayed, delivered on a particular day. You note down, and you have to prepare to ready to learn the lecture on a particular day. So it will be another advantage for the students. Okay, another one is archived lectures, video lectures. This is the completed video lectures, completed programs of the NPTEL, CEC, and Indira Gandhi National Open University, any and other source providers. So these are the video lectures archived here in this platform. You may open it, and one by one you may search and view the video lecture, so that here the topic and the language, subject, usage category, whether the UG undergraduate students or postgraduate students, or a primary level school, or any school students. Okay, so you may access from this archived lectures. For example, the serial number 1 lecture we have selected here. See, serial number 1 lecture is, we selected here which one, the Saint of Pipa, the Samiksha Yuvam Alochana. Oh, the language is Hindi, the subject for UG students. So the lecture selected here. Okay, the orange color button clicked here, that YouTube. Okay, after selection this, the lecture will be displayed. The lecture will be run here. The professor is delivering the lecture on the topic of Paper Samiksha Yaum Alochana. Okay, so Dr. Pushpendra Dev, okay, he is delivering the lecture. So like that, similarly another channel, channel 8, if we select it under the channel 8 science subject, under the science subject we have selected the chemistry. Okay, chemistry subject, you selected the chemistry under the science, we have selected chemistry subject, this it will be the science subject. Dr. Bijimon Ramayana, the associate professor, is delivering the graphic polar curves on the topic of graphic polar curves. He is delivering the lecture. Okay, understand. Then the another one common topic also we will search it in this platform directly. So apart from the apart from subject wise we are searching. If you have any keyword or analytical chemistry, quantum physics, materials management, corporate accounting, cost accounting, whatever it is. For example, we have here put it here the quantum mechanics, one of the science subject on physics subject. Okay, we that arrow mark is blue color arrow mark indicated the quantum physics subject. The after entering the search button, the topic will be opened in this. See number of lectures available. There will be 100 entries available per page. Okay, quantum mechanics part 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. There will be so many lectures on quantum mechanics. So the user category is undergraduate students. Subject is main community subject physics. Telecast date 11/7, day Thursday. So it is a archived lecture. So you may select it in the YouTube and click it the YouTube. After clicking that, the quantum mechanics topic is will be opened. Okay. So now the registration is another important useful method for the registration procedure. It will be useful for they are sending the updated circulars and timings of the programs on telecasting time, and any important news will be sent to your email ID. So you registered here, registration, enter your name, email ID, and whether you are a UG student or PG student. See, UG student or PG student, any other I have selected, other I have librarian, so I have selected the other. Okay, if you are a professor, you click it. Okay, the another is login. After enter the login, okay, so you may, after entering this one, you it will show you are successfully registered. The message will come, you are successfully registered. So after after entering your username, password, login successfully, you may update your profile in this platform. Okay, so after updation, it will be recorded and messages will be sent to your email ID according to the updated messages of the Swayamprabha portal. So this is the very useful portal for the UG students, PG students. Though, for example, if they are not able to attend the particular session of the classes in the college, any particular topic they are not understand, they don't understand in the college with the college lecturers or professors, we may these are the not only for the students but also to the lecturers, professors. This is the teaching learning method. So So the way of expression also we may learn from this online platform Swayamprabha. So students may utilize it and faculty members also. So with this I conclude my session. Once again I thank you for the patient listening, and all the best for the